And first up for you, Connecticut is now the 6th state in the nation to remove the religious exemption for children's vaccines, which are required for school. Governor Ned Lamont actually signed that bill today. The House passed it first. The Senate gave its okay late last night, but a legal challenge is now on the horizon. Our chief political reporter, Susan Raff, is live for us right now at the state Supreme Court, where the two groups, right, Susan, plan to file federal and state lawsuits here.
That's right, Mark. It seems that the battle as far as the state legislature may be over, but now a legal challenge is brewing. And tonight at 5 o'clock, two groups who are seeking to overturn this legislation plan to have a press conference outside the steps of the Supreme Court. That will be at 5 o'clock. They believe the bill that has passed the House and now the Senate. Last night, the Senate gave final approval in a lengthy debate. They feel that it's unconstitutional, that the Constitution does provide that children get an education, and they also don't feel that vaccines should be mandatory. As for the governor and Democrats, they believe that this is a public health threat, and it is a public health issue, especially with measles outbreaks, not only in the United States, but other countries. The governor today signed this legislation.
I'm trying to do everything I can, as you could hear, to encourage people to get vaccinated. The more people vaccinated, the safer we are.
So now that the governor has signed this bill, the legal challenge begins. And again, two groups plan to file a lawsuit in federal and state court challenging this legislation. We will have much more on Eyewitness News at 5 and 6, plus why the Senate president does not feel that there's any basis for a legal challenge at all. We are live outside the state Supreme Court. Susan Raff, Channel 3, Eyewitness News.
All right, Susan, I just want to ask you quickly before you go. The governor signed this really quick after it passed the Senate last night. Are lawmakers overall concerned about this legal challenge?
They're really not. I think there are some Republicans, most who voted, or pretty much all of them voted against this legislation. And there were two Democrats in the Senate who supported and went with Republicans. But the Senate president does not feel that there is a basis for the legal challenge. He says other states have done this, and that he feels and believes strongly that it is the state's responsibility, and lawmakers in particular, to protect the rights of all children.
All right. It'll be interesting to see what happens next. We know you will be all over it, Susan. Thank you very much.